working on the railroad all the livelong day. We've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away.
Hey, it's Michael J. I'm in Fort Bragg, California to ride the Skunk Train.
Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Now come blow your horn.
The Fort Bragg Railroad was formed to transport lumber, but by the 1920s, the track winding its way over the mountain from Fort Bragg to Willits, California, was transporting passengers. The nickname Skunk Train started in 1925 when single-unit gasoline-powered rail cars were introduced. The fumes were the cause of people calling it the Skunk Train. Today the train is operated only as a tourist excursion trip, and the route is cut in half due to a tunnel collapse that is yet to be repaired. The trip out of Fort Bragg is about a 30-minute ride into the redwoods. There's a stop to stretch your legs or to picnic, and then return. Or you can start at Willits for a longer trip, but the train also stops and returns back to Willits. Either direction, it's a worthwhile experience.
My life has only begun. Beyond the blue horizon lies a rising sun. Beautiful day. Goodbye to things that bore me. Joy is waiting for me. I see a blue horizon. My life has only begun. Beyond the blue horizon lies a rising sun.
The Fort Bragg depot also has a miniature train exhibit with a model Skunk Train replica and many other fun miniatures.